Alright, hello there guys, it's Stanley here from Stanman228 again. I'm going to be talking to you guys about uh, a new thing that I've kind of got into. I didn't really do it when I was learning Python, but um, obviously it's probably a good way to learn graphics as such, I guess. Um, it's called Turtle Graphics. It's pretty simple. I mean, I haven't really gone in depth with it much, partly due to the fact that I don't really need to use it. I kind of use Tkinter and Pygame and stuff instead. Um, but anyway, we might as well get straight into it. So yeah, let's do it. Oh, also using PyCharm as my window interface now. Using Python through PyCharm, pretty decent. There's a few learning tools if anyone needs tutorial. There's like a intro education thing. It's pretty good. Didn't find it really difficult as such, so it's pretty simple stuff. But yeah, let's get straight into it. We're going to import the module called Turtle. Turtle. We are then going to go and define the window that it's going to be spawning the turtle in. So turtle.screen with a capital S and parentheses. We're also going to then define the variable of the actual thing we're going to be drawing. So in a second you'll see a sort of like an arrow shoots out and it leaves a trail line behind it. So if you can imagine a turtle walking along a beach, it's going to leave like a trail on the sand sort of thing. So we're going to define that as my underscore turtle, and we're going to equal turtle with a non-capital and turtle with a capital. And parentheses. We're then going to go my turtle, because obviously we defined my turtle, and we're going to go dot forward. This is going to move it to the right because it's the starting position is facing right, and it's going to be forward parentheses. Let's go 100. So it's going to start off going 100 repetitions, or not repetitions, 100 spaces forward. Then we're going to go my underscore turtle dot left, and we're going to then put in an angle that we want it to turn to, so 90 degrees. We might as well have to put this my underscore turtle dot forward again, and we're going to go say just 10 because we just want to show that it's turning. We're also going to go window dot exit on click with parentheses. That's going to mean we can close the window afterwards. So if we run this now, you're going to see that it maybe if we just make it a bit longer than 10 to go 50. So you're going to see that it turns corner. So it runs 100 to the right, turns 90 degrees and runs 50 upwards. So now what we're going to do is we're going to remove this line here, and we're going to make a for loop, so it just runs through repeatedly. So for I in range, and we're going to go 0, starting at 0, 1000, that's just so it repeats lots, and we're going to go up in increments of 5. We're going to also change this here to an I, and we're going to print I, so I can show you. Print I. Alright. Oops, I forgot to put in a semicolon. Oh, and I forgot to indent all these blocks. There you go. Alright. So as you can see, it's slowly going out, making a cool pattern, and you can see in my console thing it's running through increments of 5 every time, so 90, 95, 200, 205, so on, and it's just slowly getting further and further to make the spiral. Obviously I can't close it until it finishes, but you can change the increments. So say if you wanted to do it 1, it will make a smaller shape, and I mean it does look kind of cool, but it's also really long. It takes a long time. No, it takes 1000 repetitions, so yeah. Anyway, we can also change it so that it's going, say, 30 degrees instead of the 90, so it won't be turning on a right angle anymore, and it'll make like a circle as it goes out, spiral out. Maybe if you change it to 20, it'll be more smooth sort of edges. So you go here. Looks kind of, doesn't look as jaggedy at the start. I mean, it looks kind of cool. You can probably do heaps more with it. You can also make, like, obviously define more variables, turtles, and use lots of turtles when they're in a range loop, and have them all running at the same time, sort of thing. But I might cover that in another video. I don't really need to as such, but yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I could, actually one more thing I can probably do is do it in increments of 10. That could be cool, I guess, or make a bit, yeah, that looks a bit weird, to be honest. If I do it in a, change this back to 90. Yeah, there you go. So it's making it kind of big one. If I went, say, 50 maybe, it would make a huge one. Like, it would, yeah, go up in 50. So as you see, it starts off and makes a huge spiral, square spiral, and you can see over here it's slowly printing them out as it repeats the loop. Yeah. But anyway, this does it for this video. Obviously check out my other videos if you need other Python help. If you need anything suggested in the comments, I could probably do most simple things that anyone learning Python could suggest. So if you do need help, then make sure to ask. But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys enjoy this video and stay tuned for more.